Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how you can get 120 FPS slash hertz on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. And let's get started. So the main most important thing is that you need to make sure that your monitor is 120 hertz. If it's not, then obviously it won't work, but even if it's 75, 100, etc., if it's more than 60, then this is a video for you. But anyways, yeah, so what you want to do is you want to go over to settings. You want to go down to save data in game/app settings, and you want to go down to game presets, and you want to change the performance mode to, or resolution mode to performance mode. Once you do that, you can go down, go up to screen video, and you want to also change the 120 hertz output, and you want to make sure that it's set to automatic. Once both of those things are done, you should be good to go, and that is basically it. You can go back to Call of Duty, and once you go to graphics, yeah, and then you're gonna see 120 hertz basically, or whatever hertz your monitor is. And yeah, that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.